Well, didn't expect that.
Alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. What happened?
My foot slipped off the brake. I apologize. What did I get you?
It sounded like, no, yeah, you hit right there. That's been loose, I know that.
It has?
Yeah, this has been loose.
Dude, I am so sorry.
No, it's alright.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm pretty sure there's no real damage at all.
Alright. I'll give you my insurance if you want, whatever you want. If you're alright, you're alright. I'm alright.
No, yeah, I'm alright.
I'm Tommy.
No, yeah, I'm Hunter.
I'm sorry, dog. Well, I'm glad you're alright. That's
yeah.
important thing.
Hold on, I'm gonna do one thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the wheel looks fine.
Alright.
Yeah, no, I get it. Shit happens, you know. It's alright. Yeah, no worries.
Alright, thank you, buddy.
Yep, you take care.
Yes, sir.
Whew, that was a video.